In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the download option in Google Drive. This is really useful when you're sharing files that you want people to view, but not save directly to their own devices. Just keep in mind that while this adds a layer of protection, it isn't perfect. For example, someone could still take a screenshot or record their screen. But for most situations, disabling the download option is a great way to discourage casual downloading. Let's start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, locate the file you want to protect. This works best with things like PDFs, images, and certain types of documents that Google can preview in the browser. When you've found the file, right-click on it to open the Options menu. From there, click on Share. This will open the Sharing Settings window, where you control who has access to the file and what they can do with it. At the bottom of this window, look for a small gear icon, often labeled as Settings, or represented by a cog. Go ahead and click that. This is where Google Drive hides some of the more advanced sharing options. Inside this Settings section, you'll see a few checkboxes. One of them will say something like, Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. If this box is checked, that means anyone with view or comment access can download your file. To disable the download option, simply uncheck this box. Once you've done that, click Save or just close the Settings panel, depending on what you see. Then make sure your sharing settings are still what you want, such as Restricted or Anyone with the link can view, and click Done to finish. Now, when someone opens your shared file, they'll still be able to view it, but the usual download, print, and copy options will be hidden from the interface. This is especially handy when you're sharing content like course materials, images, or reports that you want people to access without easily distributing them further. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same settings, recheck that box, and restore the download option instantly. That's all you need to do to disable the download option in Google Drive and add a bit more control to how your files are used and shared.